So hello everyone, you're welcome to today's class, and I will just be doing a brief introduction to sine and cosine rule. And sine and cosine rule, we use it to solve problem involving triangles if we cannot use the Pythagoras theorem. Assuming that we can use the Pythagoras theorem, we just use this formula, which is A, B, C. So we just say that a square plus b square is equal to c square. That is opposite square plus adjacent square is equal to hypotenuse square. But there are some times like that we are not able to use the Pythagoras theorem. And because we are not using the Pythagoras theorem, we can use either the sine or the cosine rule. And there are different conditions in us using the sine and the cosine rule. So we use the sine rule when two angles and any sides are given. When two angles and any sides are given. And then we also use it if we have two sides and the angle opposite to one of them. That is when we use the cosine rule. So this is just the cosine rule, which states that A over sine A is equal to B over sine B is equal to C over sine C. This one is a small letter C. So let me just use the cosine rule and the sine rule rather to solve this. So the side there is 6.73 centimeter. So how do I go about this? Let me first label my angle. And in the question they asked us to find C, small letter C, this side. This is what we are looking for. So B and then A. So for us to find this angle now, we have to get the angle that is here. We have to get our B. And how do we do that? We know that sum of angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. So B will now be equals to 180 minus 39 minus 82 degrees. So 180 minus 39 minus 82 will give us 59 degrees. So the angle here is 59 degrees. So these are B here. So we can just use B over sine B is equal to C over sine C, because we are asked to find the side C here. So B, our B is 6.73 and the angle opposite is sine 59. We are looking for C and the angle opposite this is sine 82. So if you cross multiply, so C times 59 is equal to 63 times sine 82. So if we now make C the sort of formula, so 6.73 times, okay, let me just find sine 82 first so that it will be simpler for us. 6.7. So if you press your calculator or four-figure table, this is sine 82 and sine 59 is 0.8571. So 6.73 times 0.0093. So we divide it by this. So the answer is 7.76 centimeter. 7.78 rather. To 2 decimal place, 7.78 centimeter. So the angle here is 7.78 centimeter. So now let's just quickly do another question. So if you look at the question here, in triangle ABC, we have the angle B is equal to 25.6, C is equal to 124.4, and small letter C is this. So we have to solve the triangle completely. So how do we go about it? We first have to draw a triangle. And there is something we should know about this angle here, is that this angle C is an obtuse angle. And what's the meaning of obtuse angle? Angle that is greater than 90 degree. But they are usually less than 180 degree. So let me draw a triangle. So C is 124.4 degree. So this is C. Let me call this one A, and let me call this one B. So let us see another parameter, B. Angle B here, it is, let me just show it here for clarity. See, it is 25.6 degree. And then the side opposite C, angle C, that's my letter C, is 39.2 meter. So we have to solve the triangle completely. That's to solve everything, all the sides and all the angles. So the first thing that we can do here is that we can find the angle here, and the sum of angles in a triangle is 180. So the angle here will just be 180 degree minus 124.4 degree minus 25.6 degree. So the answer is 30 degree. So the angle here is 30 degree. We can just confirm it if we sum everything together. So 30 plus 124.4 plus 25.6. So the answer is 180, which is correct. So the next thing for us to find is this side and then this side. We can start from N1, but let me first find this idea E. Now these are small letters C and these are, so let me first find A here. So A will be equal to A over sine A is over C over sine C. The reason why we must use the sine C is that we have the angle and then we have the side. But for A, we just only have the angle. So A unknown, but sine A is sine 30, and then C 39.2, and then sine 124.4. So A times sine 124.4 will give us 39.2 times sine 30. So if we mix each sort of formula, then that is 39.2 times sine 30 over sine 124.4. So if you use your 4-figure table calculator, but I'm using calculator now, my 4-figure table is down here with me. So sine 30 is 0.5, and then sine 124.4, that is 0.8251. That's 9.2 times 9 times 0.5 divided by 0.8251. So A is 23.75 meter. So the side there, A is 23.75 meter. So we have gotten A. The only side that remains for us is the side B here. That's the side opposite angle B. So we can use A over sine A is equal to B over sine B. So our A is 23.75. Then sine A is 30. Then we are looking for sine B and sine 25.6. So B is 25.6. So if we cross multiply, so B times sine 30 is equal to 23.75 times sine 25.6. So B times sine 25.6 over sine 30. So B will now be equals to. So let me find sine this. Sine 25.6. And then from our previous solution, we know that sine 30 is 0.5. So we don't need to stress ourselves. So the answer is 20.52 meter. So B is 20.52 meter. So that's that about the sine rule. We'll continue later on that. Thank you very much.